What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here with
Matthew Monaco.
And we are both traders, and we're very proud to have created this 30-day boot camp. Literally, I've been teaching for 12 plus years now. This is my single best reviewed educational resource for you. And I can't thank you, Matt, enough for structuring it, organizing it, editing it, putting some funny answers in the quizzes. Just tell them, what is the 30-day bootcamp? The link is just below. It's only $79, literally dozens of hours. It should be priced 10 times as much, but we want you to learn. Matt, talk about, what is this 30-day bootcamp?
It's an incredible boot camp where you get 30 videos, one a day for 30 days. We go over everything that Tim Sykes teaches, all his patterns from the basic penny stock terms, risk management. We go over his specific patterns for screen day, the supernova, and then we actually, towards the end, go over Tim's plays and how he changed his risks, the profits. We walk through it all, and then we leave you off on a great spot where what's next, so that way you can continue your journey after this boot camp.
And how much did you make before we started this boot camp? Because we filmed it over several weeks.
Yes.
How much were you up before, and then how much were you up right after, and now how much are you up? What has it been, 4 or 5 months after we started filming?
Yeah, so it's been about 4 or 5 months. While we were filming the boot camp, we filmed it in April, and by the end of April, that was my best month while we were filming it. I made $19,000 that month, and I was around $40,000, $50,000 in total profits. Since then, it's been 4 months, and I just passed $300,000 in total profits. So that 30 days was awesome for me. So it was a game changer, and that's why we recorded it all, and it's available for you guys.
It's so good to go over the basics. I know a lot of people think, oh, I don't need to know this. It's always good to review it. And also, let me just answer a few frequently asked questions about this bootcamp. Yes, it is only $79 one time. It is the best priced resource ever. Utilize it. We priced it specifically so that you have no excuse not to learn. It comes with videos, quizzes. There's a whole bunch of specialized emails. You are going to learn so much, and it is what I recommend for everybody beginning in the stock market. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or veteran. I think it's always good to review the basics, especially of low price stocks, because they trade differently than high price stocks. Would you agree with that?
Completely agree. It's a totally different game, and that's why you need to just review it all, because if you just watch some random video on YouTube, the information is going to be super generic. It's not really going to work. So this boot camp is really specialized to capitalize on the volatility of penny stocks.
Yeah, and understand the way that he's made a lot of money. I mean, I've made $750,000 in trading profits in 2020. It's because we were prepared and there were opportunities. So too many people, there's opportunities, but you're not prepared. You need to get better prepared for the opportunities that are coming about literally every single day right now. It's a crazy market, but you need to study up first, and that's why we made this boot camp. Also, you don't have to watch it in 30 days. So many people are like, if I don't watch it in 30 days, is it going to expire? Is it going to disappear? This isn't Mission Impossible. The message isn't going to burn up in your hands. You have this to study over and over again. We suggest 30 days, but some people have been watching it in 60 days. Some people have been watching it in 90 days. Some crazy people have watched it in 3 or 4 days. You get to choose. It's yours to keep forever. But as long as you keep learning and you recognize that this is a process, we don't just say, oh, here are 5 stocks to buy right now. We say, no, here are the indicators we use to judge whether a stock is a good stock or not. What's your favorite indicator so far of 2020?
I think volume. The biggest difference I've seen from 2020 and any other year is just the amount of volume on these stocks. It's crazy. You compare it to any other year, and it's tenfold. We've had stocks trading over 1 billion shares in a day. I've never seen that before.
No, and that's why 2020, frankly, is so good. So trading has grown exponentially. Robinhood is getting 3 million new members per month. It's all going into a lot of these low price stocks because that's what a lot of people can afford. So you have more traders than ever, more volatility than ever. You should capitalize on it. But we're saying, you need to be prepared. And all of these rules that we teach, all of the lessons, all of the patterns matter. I want you learning before you risk your hard-earned money. I hate getting students where they're like, I've lost half my money, or I've lost 75% of my money. You were right, I should have learned. How do we get people to learn before they lose big? How do we prioritize education and get them clicking the link below to watch this boot camp? What should I say to them?
They just have to be serious about it, and that's why it's a boot camp and not just a video series. Like, it's not just 30 videos. There's quizzes and there's workbooks. Like, we ask you questions every day. You fill in the blank workbooks with each and every video. So that's also why it's 30 days. So that way you take the time to do the quiz. You take the time to do the workbook. You don't just fly through the videos like, watching it while you're distracted doing something else. Like, this is for dedicated people who take the time. And now everyone learns differently. But the point is to do the full boot camp and not simply watch the videos.
Yeah, and don't be afraid if you don't get it either right away. I get some people where they're like, wow, the boot camp was so much better the second or even the third time I watched it. These lessons continue to apply. The patterns that I teach, the patterns that we trade, keep working. The way that this guy has made $300,000 pretty much all in 2020 is because he's taking the lessons, he's taking the patterns that he's already practiced and seen in 2018, 2019, but he's profiting more because there's more volume, there's more liquidity, there's more plays, and he is better prepared. Yep. Like, I think the 30-day boot camp helped you. Like, it was good timing that we were filming it right as the market was heating up.
I completely agree. And the way I describe it to people who ask me on Twitter or Profitly, it's like I laid a foundation for basically 2 years, and then I had a solid foundation of education. I understood penny stocks. I'm still learning stuff, but solid foundation. And then 2020, the preparation met the opportunity, and that's why I've made 300K so far this year. 100%.
No, I love that. And understand, it's not about any one stock or any one play. Like, don't follow other people's alerts. It's finding what patterns work best for you. Some of us like breakouts. Some of us like dip buys into morning panics. Some of us like, first red days. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little tired. I'm filming here. I'm going to go take a nap like Kyle back there in a little bit. But it is your time to study. It is your time to be prepared. I hate the idea of people taking just a year off or wasting so much opportunity when you have to learn. There is no better day than today in order to start learning, okay? You must get prepared today. Do not waste another day. Do not waste another week. Do not waste another month without having this knowledge. The sooner you get this knowledge, the sooner you can up your odds of success on every trade. So thank you again, Matt.
Thanks for having me.
Literally, this is the best course. Any single person who asks me, how do you begin? This is it. So click the link below, $79. It is the best $79 you will ever spend in your life. Study up.